Eyebrows play a big role in defining the beauty of a person, and one of the most common problems faced by women are sparse hair on brows. Nutrient deficiencies are one of the main reasons for sparse growth. You can find the best solution for improving hair growth on eyebrows here. Does vitamin E oil help grow eyebrows? Thin brows can result from lack of vitamins due to poor intake of vitamin-rich foods or as part of the natural aging process. We all know that providing right vitamins improves the hair growth, and it is applicable to hairs on eyebrows too. Scientific studies have proved that vitamin E is essential for promoting hair growth, as it is a complex of fat-soluble vitamins and have rich antioxidant properties which prevent aging effects in our body cells. How to use vitamin E oil for eyebrows. Number 1. Castor oil and vitamin E oil for eyebrows. Things required: castor oil 1 teaspoon, vitamin E capsules 2 to 3. How to do: break open the vitamin E capsule and pour the oil from it into a small bowl. Add the castor oil into the bowl and blend the oil together. Apply the blended oil on the eyebrows and massage it gently for 1 to 2 minutes. You can leave it for 25 to 30 minutes, wipe it off with a makeup remover, and rinse it with cold water. You can also leave it overnight and remove it the next day morning. Best time to apply: before bedtime. Repeat this process every night before hitting the bed for 5 to 7 days to see a marked difference. Number 2. Castor oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil for eyebrows. Things required: castor oil 1 second teaspoon, coconut oil 1 second teaspoon, vitamin E oil 4 to 5 drops. How to do: pour all 3 oils into a small bowl and mix well so that they blend together. Take the mixed oil in your fingertips and apply it generously on your eyebrows. Massage it gently on the eyebrows for a couple of minutes. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. Remove it off using makeup wipes. Finally, wash your face with cold water and pat dry. Best time to apply: in the morning and evening. Repeat this process every day for 3 to 5 days to start with, and then do it regularly once a day to enjoy eyebrow growth naturally. Number 3. Vitamin E oil and coconut oil for eyebrows. Things required: coconut oil 1 second teaspoon, vitamin E oil 5 to 6 drops, and cotton swab. How to do: mix both the oils in a small bowl until they blend together. Dip the cotton swab in the oil mixture and apply it over the eyebrows. Massage it gently for 2 minutes. Leave it overnight and then rinse it off the next day morning. Best time to apply: bedtime. Apply this mixture every night for 4 to 5 days and then use it at least 3 to 4 times a week to see natural eyebrow growth. Precautions and tips while using vitamin E oil on eyebrows. It is better to some patch test before using vitamin E on your skin if you have a past history of allergies. Avoid using vitamin E oil directly on the skin if there is any wound. Start applying in small quantities at first and slowly increase the quantity. Using it along with other natural oils can help to prevent any possible irritation. By using quality and organic natural oils like castor oil, coconut oil, almond oil, etc., with vitamin E oil, you can easily and naturally grow the eyebrows. Now, as always, I have a question for you. Have you ever tried any kind of oil for your hair growth? Share your experience in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next videos, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.